Description: Bond Repair Conditioner, packed with Bond Cure technology, formulated to nourish and repair damaged strands. Benefits: damaged or chemically treated hair, clients looking to reduce breakage and strengthen hair. Suggested use: please see packaging for details. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite conditioner. I got this conditioner for the first time from my FabFitFun box and absolutely fell in love. It doesn't leave my hair greasy and I can usually go a couple days without having to wash it again. It leaves my hair so soft and smooth. Finally, a product I may love. I have to say, after one use of the shampoo plus this conditioner, I think I am hooked on this product. It finally moisturizes my hair and it feels wonderful. Yay!